The 2025 Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i is an amazing laptop, and it is actually pretty affordable for what it is and what it offers. We'll go over that later, but for now, let's talk about the hardware. This laptop has an Ultra 9 285H, which is one of the best CPUs available in a laptop, and an RTX 5060 with 8GB of GDDR7 VRAM. This might prove a bit troublesome, but that's for later. This laptop also gets 32GB of RAM, though it is soldered so it isn't upgradable. The laptop benefits from this anyway since the RAM can operate faster at 8400 megatransfers per second in this case. As for storage, we got a 1TB SSD, and there's one more free slot for another SSD. With all that said, let's get into the performance you can get with this laptop. We'll start off with Cyberpunk 2077, and at the highest settings with ray tracing and DLSS set to balanced, we can see an average of around 50 FPS. Warhammer 40k Space Marine 2 at the highest settings gets us a similar average of 50 FPS. Lastly, Red Dead Redemption 2. At ultra settings, this laptop can get an average in the low 60s. All in all, the gaming performance is pretty much expected for a laptop 5060. These games were tested at 1440p, which is a lower resolution than the laptop's native resolution. This is where the 8GB of VRAM might be a little lackluster if you want the highest possible graphics and the sharpest image quality at its native resolution of 3200 by 2000. You'll definitely have to turn down some settings, and you will most definitely have to use DLSS and frame generation. That said, this laptop screen is awesome. Yes, it only has a refresh rate of 120Hz, but this is already great for the average user and gamer. After all, this laptop isn't advertised as a gaming laptop. That's not where it ends, of course. At 16 inches, this laptop has a high resolution of 3200 by 2000, which provides very great picture quality and clarity for practically every task there is. The laptop also uses a tandem OLED panel, which basically means there's an extra OLED panel on top of an already existing OLED panel. This results in much better brightness, reaching a typical brightness of nearly 1000 nits. And that's not all. This laptop is great for professionals, creatives, or artists since it covers 100% of the Adobe RGB, DCI-P3, and sRGB color spaces. Apart from that, it's also a touchscreen. So while it doesn't exactly turn into a tablet, the touchscreen is still there as an option. I don't see myself using it though, but if it's useful to you, which I'm sure it is, then you're good to go. One last great feature of this laptop is that it has 6 built-in speakers, and the sound quality is just amazing. It's basically much better than practically every other Windows laptop at the moment. This laptop has 2 USB ports and 1 full-sized SD card slot, which is always nice. We also get the charging port, an HDMI 2.1 port, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a combo audio jack. If you're interested in this laptop, it costs about $2,100 at the moment, but it has a regular price of $2,300. I think this laptop will stay at $2,100 for some time. So go right ahead and check out the links in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!